second graders. I'm so happy to be with you this week. Okay, today we're going to talk about rounding and how to decide where does it go? Which place does it go to? So let's get started. Here we go. All right, today you can see I have some numbers on my board. I have the numbers 26, 32, 54, and 98. Well, we have to decide, how am I going to round those numbers? What 10 are they going to go to? But first, we need to check this out. How many ones do I have in this number? You're right, I have 6. And how many 10s do I have in this number? You're right, I have 2 10s, and 2 10s gets me to the number 20. So I have 2 of my long ones and 6 of my little ones. Now, there is a rule when you're rounding. If your 10 has, in this case, we're rounding to the nearest 10. So if your 10 is the numbers between 0 and 4, you round down. If it's 5 through 9, you go up. So 26, I need to decide, is this closer to 30 or is this closer to 20? Well, I can look at my number, and my number is a 6. So that would be over here. So I'm going to round this one up because I know that 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. It's only 4 away from 30. So I'm going to make 26 go to the nearest 10 as the 30. Because if I went back down from 26, so if I went to here, this is only how many? 27, 28, 29, 30. That's only 4 away. But if I went down to 20, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20. Ooh, that's 6 away. So that I know that the closest one is 4. So I'm going to round up because this number is be 5 or greater. So I'm going to go up. Let's look at the number 32. How many ones do I have? You're right, I have 2. How many 10s do I have? 3. I have 3. So this makes the number 32. Now 32, is that going to go down to 30 or up to 40? Let's look at my number. My last number is a 2. And I said that if I have 0 through 4, it's going to go what? You're right, it's going to go down. So this number, when you're rounding, if you're going down, always stays the same. So I'm going to round 32 down to what? 30. But if you go up, this number might change just like it changed here. Let's look at this one. 54. 54. How many ones do I have? You're right, I have 4. How many 10s do I have? You're right, I have 5. So that makes me the number 54. So I have to see, is 54 closest to 50 or is it closest to 60? Well, you try it. There's my patterns. There's my hints. 0 to 4, I go down. 5 through 9, I go up. So let's see, 54. I know that that is a 4, and I know 4, I go down. So I'm going to make it to a 50. Did you get what I had? Did you get 50? You rounded that down to 50. Very good. The next one that I have is 98. Look, how many ones? 8, yes. How many 10s? 9, yes, 9. So 98. Is that number closest to 100 or is it closest to 90? You got it. It's closest to 100 because I can look at my ones. My 1 is an 8. 5 through 9, I go up. So I know that I'm going to round this one to the next 10, and that's going to be 98 is my number. So my next 10 is going to be 100. I'm not going to go down to 90 because I have an 8. Okay, friends, so what your challenge is going to be today is I'm going to put some numbers here, and I want you to round them. Are they going to be the same number? Are they going to go up or are they going to go down? So let's see. I'm going to write some numbers, and you try to write them to the nearest 10. Here we go. 33, 76, 85. Let's try 19 and 23. Okay, friends, can you round them? Remember that if you have in your ones a 0 through a 4, you go down. If you have a 5 through a 9, you go up to the nearest 10. All right, friends, here's your challenge. I can't wait to see if you get them tomorrow. Correct. Check back tonight, later today, or tomorrow. Bye.